the lava. He live in the pot. Wow, not bad. How to grow the sweet potato in the pot. This is my pot, and I will add some cocoa fiber at the bottom of the pot. And the benefit of cocoa fiber is water not stacking at the bottom of the pot and stop the flowing the soil from the pot. So like this. And I start to add the soil. The soil is already mixed with white hard charcoal. And also dry cow dung. At the level. And then I start to cut there is a worm inside the soils. They are happy to live in this fertile soils. And I start to cut the potato slip. This is potato slip. Potato slip I harvested last week. So I cut like this and I start to grow. Yeah, this like this, and very easy to grow the sweet potato, and only 90 days I can harvest sweet potato for the food, and they are very good. So now I start to add the soil to cover. Now it's ready. My sweet potato I have grown in the pot, and now start to grow up with the green leaf come out here. Look very fresh and green. The vine is long, and this sweet potato will be harvested soon. Here's my sweet potato I have grown in the pot. Now it's time for me to remove the grass and add some more fertilizer. I add the dry cow dung compost. And this sweet potato will be harvested soon. Cow dung compost. I would like to show the root. Where the root arrive and produce the root here. This sweet potato is rooting by the vine here. In different pot. This is the main pot here, and the second pot where the vine is right here, so produce the root here. Wow, big root. The lava live in the pot. Wow, not bad. Have some small root. First pot. Yeah, root, but not very big. This is my second pot, also my big pot. This sweet potato here. Thank you for watching my gardening video. Please subscribe, like, share to your friend. Bye. See you soon next video.